Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this 2026 version of a 4K digital camcorder. This thing is super cool, and as you can see, comes with an absolute barrage of things that you can add to this. Loving the fact this is 4K, 96 megapixels, super easy to operate. Open it up, it immediately comes on, lens cap is off, and you've got this thing ready to go. I mean, that is a digital, there's no lag in this thing. You've got the fully adjustable, you're wanting to take selfies, flip this thing around, you can take selfies of yourself, you can use this for vlogging, anything you want to use for that. 18 times zoom, super easy to use on the top here. You've got your ability to charge this thing up back here. They also allow you to attach in the microphone, which, speaking of which, is absolutely incredible. These guys have included this professional style microphone, which is fantastic. They could attach onto the top. You attach it on by sliding it up here. And on top of here, you actually have the ability to turn it on or off and add, minus 10 decibels, leave it normal, or plus 20. Nice wind resistance on this guy, and just simply plug it in and you are ready to rock and roll with your mic. That is not all. They also provide you with these, which is kind of nice. I really like the fact they've included these. This is something that you can attach on if you're wanting to shield from light, anything like that. This screws onto here. If that's not enough, you can actually screw on this little piece here. Then you've got a full hood on the front of your camera to kind of stop with any outside ambient lights coming in. They give you a remote, the charger, carrying bag, 2 batteries, and a memory card. This bag is super nice too because it actually has a belt clip. So if you're going to be traveling, maybe you're going to be doing some hiking and whatnot, and you don't need to have your hands all the time on your camera, you can simply insert that into there, stick this in. It's nice padded, hooks onto a belt. That way you've got your camera at the ready whenever you're out there looking for some wonderful options. So great camera, awesome pieces. Loving the fact that you have all of these, including this wonderful mount that comes with this as well that folds up. So all of this can easily fold up, be compact and nice to go for travel. Really a great set, loving it. I'm going to love getting a lot of good use out of it. Thank you guys again for sending it.